संजय गुप्ता
गुप्ता गुप्ता गुप्ता 300 पीछे से आवाज आती थी. And I would turn and the producer standing. I'm not taking his name, but he's a dear friend. But his name was Rajan Sippy. And Rajan Sippy would go, 300 Sanjay, this is a Rajan Sippy film. Sharma ji, 500 bulao.
Wow.
He just looked at me. Have you lost your mind? You think you're going to go tell Dharmendra to reshoot a shot? Shut up.
The bad guy lecturer's look was
Yeah.
fantastic. That's gone. I learnt all
No,
that.
it was this. No? The bad guy was always constantly
To-
doing.
yeah.
Jenny.
See, normally now when we have a guest, we just start cold like that. But I thought today, because he's such a well-known director and someone I've known since I was 13, 14 years old, I think we should have reverb. So
Yeah.
I'm going to say your name and then there'll be reverb. Sanjay Gupta!
Oh.
I have to do my own reverb because budget constraint. But,
Yes, I know. Completely.
I wish we could put
I'll
it-
help you there.
Please help me, yaar, post. एक काम करते हैं. I'll say Sanjay Gupta, you say Gupta. Gupta, Gupta. Sanjay Gupta!
Gupta. My wife is majorly into karaoke, singing and all. So every time I'm testing, no, I always do that. It's Jack.
I'm fascinated by this. You know, we do events all over the country for so many years.
yeah.
And how people, when they pick up that mic, the guy, the vendor, the sound guy.
Yeah.
Not, just your normal sound guy, not South East West. He always has this accent.
Yeah,
he
always.
doesn't
It'll
speak
just
English.
come. It'll
he
just
says
come.
numbers and he has a funny accent.
Yeah.
Shack.
Yeah.
Shack.
Yeah,
One,
completely.
2, 3, 4. Kya karta ho? You know,
Everybody,
it's-
they all feel like a star.
Yeah. Why does
Suddenly
that
what a-
happen?
No, that's it, yeah. There's that few seconds of, you know.
The performer in
Yeah,
the
of
guy
course.
choking
Completely.
himself for the last 45 years. Sanjay, so many movies and all to talk about, but before we do that, I want to begin at the beginning. There was a movie
Yeah,
called
let's talk about
Jalwa.
Jalwa.
When you were, this was in 85?
85.
Huh? You were a little older than me. I was about 13 or 14. And you were the AD.
Yeah.
And I actually
was-
was doing all the work, I remember.
Yeah. I started as Pankaj's boy, giving him water and
Yeah.
holding his napkin.
Yeah.
And then gradually, because the advantage of having Pankaj for a boss is that none of the assistants would tick out. So they would keep quitting one by one. So then I had to do the next guy's job and the next guy's job and the next guy's
Yes,
job.
we tell everyone Pankaj Parashar because he's a brilliant director, but unfortunately,
of course,
he
he's
had
a
a long
genius.
career. Huh? Ad films as well.
Ad
before
films,
that,
ad films.
huh?
Yeah. He started from ads, moved on to TV serials, Karamchand and all that.
Karamchand, oh
Yeah.
God,
and
yeah.
then features.
Epic.
And yeah, so that's where I joined him and he was doing features.
You
because
were hardly 17,
that's
18
when-
yourself.
Less than that. Yeah, I was 16 or something.
Sydenham College?
Sydenham.
Wow, what a memory.
Yeah.
What a memory.
Sydenham. Remember
Yeah.
FIJC holidays, man.
Yeah.
So, and that's the first
you
time
were-
I ever sat on a plane.
Really?
Yeah.
But you went to Goa, no?
Yeah, we went to Goa
Yeah.
and there was some work. So the others ADs had all left. And Gulanan was the producer and he said, "Nahi, wo lana hai. Acha, Sanjay, you get it." I was like, yeah, okay. And I still remember, man, my first trip sitting on an airplane and I was like petrified. I was petrified because I've grown up on Hindi movies that everybody makes a fool of themselves wearing the seat belt, not knowing how to wear it. And I had an aisle seat. Okay, so that was one thing playing on my mind. And 2 rows ahead on the other aisle seat, Nasiruddin Shah came and sat down over there. Now I was like, boss, ye meri picture ka hero hai. And he's going to turn around and see I'm fidgeting with my belt. And I remember he came and he opened this Time magazine and he was just busy reading. And I was just continuously watching him. I said, the minute, yeah, as long as he keeps reading. But the minute that went in, oh, what a relief. I was like, take
But
it.
then also taking it out.
Yeah, then that was
Till
okay.
Today, I have a problem with that.
Yeah, the
mechanics.
kadak.
Yeah. And then you're right. People start wondering what's wrong with the guy. Like, oh, retarded.
He's
Wrong
never,
word.
never been in one before.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm talking those times.
Fair.
Indian Airlines 40 years
Beautiful,
ago.
Beautiful. They used to give the toffee, if I remember correctly.
Everything.
Small
man.
things
Yeah.
and then mint, and that's it. That was the
That's it.
experience.
That's it.
But I wanted to quickly mention, so Jalwa, my memory, I was only like 13, 14 at that time, is that Sanjay Gupta was everywhere in the sense that he's running around. I think that gave us a hint as to what you were going to become in a sense, because you also love what you're doing. But
Yeah,
you were
completely.
doing everything, like costumes, talking to the actors, bring them on set, direction, explaining the scene. You were doing everything. My memory is that I hardly saw Pankaj. You know, I mean, he was there, but it was all you. Everything was through you.
No, I was just busy running around, just getting things organized because that was the thing with Pankaj. He did not believe in pre-production.
Yeah.
So it was not like today, where about 6 months in advance the AD is sitting, sir, will you have 3 glasses of water? And who will have what and this and that, and is the character going to go? Are yaar, over there, the minute we packed up, Pankaj would dive into the pool.
Fidalgo.
Yeah,
Fidalgo?
Fidalgo. Fidalgo was one. Bamboo Hotels.
Bamboo hotels.
Is where they put you up.
Correct.
And,
The cheaper guys were bamboo hotels.
Yeah.
So
And the
Gul-Anand Sauri
even
is
cheaper ones were
no
Charleston
longer-
Hotel.
Yeah.
It was
Which is
the
Charleston
only
Hotel.
the only hotel. It had just come up,
Yeah.
which is now a fancy one. But that time it was the only hotel on Kalangut. So the entire stretch, Kalangut, Baga, Kandolim, everything was empty.
Yeah.
I have a house in the Taj Aguada. So every time I'm there with my kids.
So you went from Charleston to owning property in Goa. Just see how your
Yes,
life
I've had
changed.
for a while now.
Yeah.
Quite a bit.
But may I just mention, since you're on Jalwa, and please you can check yourself. My memory is Nasir got Siddha de Goa. The
Oh,
five
yes,
star.
of course.
Yeah, bloody hell, yaar.
Yeah.
उस sir को 5-star hotel.
No. And also that is a time of, see, we are not in the age of internet. We're not in the age of whey protein, bodybuilding, blah, blah, this and that. Nothing, no idea. So we just knew that Nasiruddin Shah body bana raha hai.
But it was a great change, huh?
Yeah, so my job was to go and call the actor when the shot is ready. And we were shooting a major chunk in Siddharth Goa. So I had to go to his room every time. So when I used to go there after lunch, during lunch, I'd seen just sitting there and there were like 3 giant tandoori pomfrets. 3. And he would just be having like, we have our 2 rotis and sabji. He'd just be eating that. And I didn't realize. I mean, today you know that, okay.
So he was self-dieting himself into
Yeah,
this whole
everything he was doing himself.
Robert
He
De
didn't
Niro,
have, he
body
didn't have
change.
these 40 trainers like
No,
you have
nah.
today. And
I
their
remember him saying he went
assistants.
to Talwalkar's,
Yeah.
old-fashioned Talwalkar's to lift weights, and some guy guided him a little bit. That's it.
Same with me. So my son now, every morning he's up at 5 and 5:30, he goes to the club gym.
Huh.
So a different story, he goes to a bloody 5-star gym and all that. But the discipline is the same.
Yeah, correct.
He goes there at 5:30 to 6:30 and then as a Shah, which for them is they have to have a sub-zero water shower and all of that. And I'm like, boss,
Another world,
come
bro.
on, yaar, hum
Another
log ko
world.
pani mila bahut tha.
Yeah.
So,
I know.
yeah. So,
I feel very sad that this whole industry grew up and we didn't know.
Yeah.
not the film industry, this fitness
no,
industry. on the side.
I don't remember the name of the author, but there's a new book out. It's called Oi Hoi or something like that. Very interesting. Very interesting simply for the fact that this is some kid from the 80s and 90s who's written a book about the 80s and 90s.
Yeah.
And it's very interesting because there's so much that our kids cannot even imagine.
And so much change happened too quickly also, no?
Exactly.
If you're doing an acting job or something and somebody tells you, phone ka ye karo, you'll probably do this, naturally, for example. Which kid will understand what you're doing?
I remember a few years back, somebody put out a video where they put a rotary phone in a class of nursery kids.
Wow. They had
And
no
said,
idea.
what is this?
Yeah.
And each kid is coming and doing his interpretation. Yeah. And one saying this is a calculator, others looking at, so everything's changed so fast. Yeah.
And now I'm very worried that soon, because kids are becoming very distant, the way you all are parenting, all of you all in this room, that they'll not even know who the mother is. You put the mother out there and the kid will be, ye kaun hai? What is it? I've never seen.
Utna bhi nahi hai, but yeah.
Ho jayega, sir. We are going in that direction.
I don't
The
know
rich
where
are
we
going
are
in that
heading.
direction.
That's it.
Anyway, so we shot Jalwa. He was a young man, 17 years old, straight out of Sydenham College, first plane, handling all these people. Nasir, fantastic guy, but he's a star, handling him for the first time, etc. Tell us what happens next. The film did actually quite well. I think Nasir's change, parivartan that happened.
Yeah. He became a commercial hero.
Commercial hero, and just the look, he became all buffed up and looked at. Nobody thought of him as a hero.
No, but lovely, Nasir bhai, suddenly he didn't have to go on set and dirty himself and wear dirty clothes.
Yeah.
From Sham Benegal, he jumped to Pankaj Parashar. He was wearing these cool shoes.
Now that's satire.
Jeans and,
What? I look good.
and suddenly he was eating these giant pomfrets.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. But spot on. Yeah, it's pure protein. Don't eat vegetarian.
There was a gap in my career as a director for about 3.5-4 years.
This is much later on. After you
Yeah,
already
much.
become
I'm
a
talking
director.
now in between 2009 and 2012. So for some reason, for 3 years, I did no work, 3.5 years. And then I started my new film. It was called Shoot Out at Wadala.
Yeah.
And the first day of shoot, and we were shooting in a chawl in Thana. And inside this little house and everything. So in the morning 7 o'clock shift, I went, the shot is ready. I'm with my DOP. I said, yeah, this, everything. And then they said, okay, come on, guys, call John, call Kangana. Yes, sir. Then one kid comes. Sir, talent on the way. I said, who the fuck is talent? They don't know, sir, John is on the way. I said,
Oh, talent as in
I
talent.
said,
huh?
it's an oxymoron. Anyway, cut.
Hey, John is my
No,
friend.
with John, I can say anything. No, I didn't mean him. I meant the. Anyway, and then John walks onto set, and there are these. And John is the nicest guy because he didn't have 18; he had probably 9.
Yeah.
And I was like, who the fuck are these people? I mean, suddenly because such a small room, suddenly it's full. And the one thing I hate is a crowded set. And this thing, nahi, sir, wo John ka staff hai. I said, John ka staff? I mean, all my life I've known Sanjay Dutt, whose staff used to be one boy and one makeup man.
That's
Wherever
it?
he was. Yeah, everybody. Even Mr. Bachchan, even
Security guards, the most irritating are the bloody
now. No,
security
even
guards.
today, even and Ajay, all the old school guys, even Hrithik Roshan. When I'm shooting Kabul,
I'm
he's
writing
got...
this down. I have to
no,
check.
no, I'm telling you.
Please check with all the stars he's mentioned.
He's
Hrithik ka
got
do hi aadmi hai.
one-
The
he's
great
got-
Amitabh Bachchan, only 2 people.
Only 2 people. Now I'll tell you another thing. All the producers complain about...
Maybe they don't want to pay more.
No, but no, I'm just coming to that.
Yeah.
All the producers complain about not all, I mean, and rightfully so.
The entourage.
That your entourage, and you suddenly, you're paying like lakhs
But it's true,
to
yeah.
these people. Yeah, but having said that, and I mean, with all of this in place, do you know something, that the only actor from the start of his career in the 70s to now going strong is Mr. Bachchan,
Correct.
who never ever lets you pay his staff.
Meaning?
You
The
cannot pay his
conveyance,
makeup
conveyance, all
man.
that.
There is nothing. No per day, no
He pays.
conveyance. He pays. He says, that's my staff. It's not the producer's lookout. So his makeup man, his hairstylist, his driver, his boy.
But
Till
why,
today.
What is the whole system is different for everybody else?
But that's Mr. Bachchan for you. So that's why he's always on time and everything. But he's the only guy. You can, I mean, so everybody's staff. And then now that team of 2 and team of 3 has become team of 30. I know certain actors who've got 5 makeup vans. It's mandatory.
5.
Yes, 5 makeup, 6 makeup vans.
Sanjay, tell us the name now, Baba.
Huh? No, I've
There's
not
a
worked
guy
with
called
them.
Raj
That's why.
Samani who's doing very well, getting very big numbers. We need to reach him. And
Arre.
he's got very good
No, but
conversation
Cyrus,
skills.
I'm serious, man. So there's...
Hint to de do kam se kam.
नहीं सुनो ना, तो पहला the first van is his personal space.
Are you kidding me? This
listen
is
to me.
real or you're making it up?
I'm real.
Yo,
very
come
serious.
on,
Very
man.
serious.
Yeah.
The first van is his personal space.
हाँ.
बोला नहीं, वो साहब नंगा बैठते हैं. ऐसे ठीक है. तो वो in between shots.
Oh God, this is
तो ओके, तो वहाँ उसका बॉय
Why?
नहीं जाता है.
It's a working day, man.
वो
Just
साहब को
why?
पूछो.
But why?
अच्छा, then next to that is साहब's other van.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे साहब मेकअप एंड हेयर करते हैं. तो
अच्छा.
वहाँ पे तो वो that.
The public place for him. हाँ.
नहीं वो मेकअप एंड हेयर वो करते हैं.
अच्छा. हाँ.
ठीक है, वो मतलब वहाँ वो चड्डी पहनते हैं.
Okay.
उसके बाजू में इज अ वैन वेयर यहाँ पे साहब मीटिंग्स करते हैं.
तीसरा.
इफ यू वांट टू मीट हिम, एनीबody goes to
Why can't
you know
you-
this.
okay.
Wait, hear me out.
हाँ.
That's the third van.
हाँ.
Then there's a fourth van which has his gym. यहाँ साहब वर्कआउट करते हैं. Fine.
Can't you give him 1 hour off to
No,
work out
wait.
in some-
So I said fine.
हाँ.
वर्कआउट का भी हो गया. And you have to keep one thing in mind. Workout van means साहब का ट्रेनर आएगा.
Oh
ट्रेनर
God.
का असिस्टेंट आएगा,
हाँ.
उसका असिस्टेंट आएगा, वैन का क्लीनर, वैन का ड्राइवर, वैन का मेंटेनेंस.
All
तो ये
that.
6 जन का स्टाफ इधर हो गया. ओके.
कौन बनेगा
साहब मेकअप और हेयर कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो मेकअप है, मेकअप मैन है, उसका असिस्टेंट है, उसका असिस्टेंट है, फिर स्टाइलिस्ट है, उसके असिस्टेंट है.
कम से कम
Anyway,
5-6 again.
ये सब पांचे. अभी कहाँ पहुंचे? We are at 3 vans, right?
4.
We've come to the 4th.
Jim is the 4th.
Jim is the 4th.
हाँ.
Then there's a 5th.
अभी क्या है?
साहब खाना खाएगा, भूखा थोड़ी रहेगा पूरे दिन.
Separate.
तो वो सेट पे अलग से शेफ आता है. वो पूरा दिन शेफ बैठ के इतना वजन करके वो साहब के लिए 137 ग्राम सामन बनाएगा और 98 ग्राम्स ऑफ रेड मीट तो खाता नहीं साहब. वो होगा.
White meat जो भी
हाँ,
है.
और गिन के वो 45 अंडा.
हाँ. Wow.
So is that? So that's a 5th man. And
उसमें
then there's
उसमें
a
भी
6th.
dietitian and blah blah
Yeah,
blah.
and then there is a 6th.
6th man.
ये 5 वैन का स्टाफ किधर बैठेगा? बाहर थोड़ी बैठेगा.
Is this serious or what?
Yeah.
This is hilarious, Baba.
Bro, and so there is,
How
and
can
there
they have
is
6 vans?
no. So boss, देखो एक तो हम लोग कहते हैं we are an Indian community and everything, you know, auspicious and everything is also very important.
Correct.
तो हमारा होता है कि बच्चा है यार, ये 11 रुपए दे दो. 11 का आंकड़ा होता है.
Correct.
So there is also this star couple where he takes 6 and she takes 5.
Huh.
So there's 11 vans that come on set.
Oh my God.
अरे
Why-
तुम
why
घर
can't-
पे तो साथ में बैठ के खाते हो ना.
Why can't they have the naked?
एक का खाना इधर बनता है, एक का उधर बनता
naked
है.
van तो एक ही होना चाहिए ना.
हाँ, नहीं अरे नेकेड वन.
ये कैसा पॉलिसी है? अगर बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है,
हाँ,
फिर भी
अरे बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है, हस्बैंड वाइफ है.
हस्बैंड वाइफ है.
तो भी दोनों का किचन
Then I
अलग है.
understand.
तो दो भी किचन अलग. So I mean this.
Is this a you're exaggerating
I'm not-
or
not
you're
at all.
actually saying that this is it?
This is a fact, and I'm stating this fact was that this is what. So I'll tell you something very funny. This particular actor signed a film down south. Okay, and everything, and he went for the shoot, and him the South guys are fine. So they come on location, which is a studio, and suddenly the producer finds that there are these 6 vans from Bombay. And he's like, boss, okay, I didn't hire 6 actors. Whatever. See, to a certain level, you indulge. Fine. Till he was told, नहीं ये तो सब सांप का वैन है और ये रातों रात बॉम्बे से आया है नहीं तो आपका एक दिन बच गया. And he's just scratching his head. एक दिन बच गया. You know, he wanted to give every गाली. And they packed up that day. And they told the actor and they said, listen sir, next 3 days there's a problem with the location. आप बॉम्बे चले जाओ आपको बुला लेंगे. The minute that actor got onto the flight, he called all the drivers, said, fuck off. Send
them back to Bombay.
They scrapped the film.
Because of that?
The producer scrapped the film. He says, we don't do this. Inform us. Ask us. You cannot just bring 6 people and then send a bill of 18 lakh rupees.
It's too much. And what if every person working in those 6 vans are cousin?
Yeah.
So he's feeding his entire family, the full village. Ultimately a dietitian, nutritionist, whatever.
No, so, I mean, I'm just saying, so that
But
madness.
you worked with so many actors. I mean, you were Kante and all this. How many superstars are there in one frame?
Bro,
Even
I have,
Shootout has so many
I have
actors.
worked, when you're saying with Jalwa, after Jalwa, I moved on to another director, Raj Sippy, who was commercial. I always wanted to make Hindi commercial films, yeah. And Pankaj, after Jalwa became so successful and such a sought-after act filmmaker, he didn't want to do features. So I was like, boss, this is not what I want to do. So I joined Raj Sippy. So I go from the frying pan into the fire. Because Raj Sippy, suddenly, my first film with Raj Sippy, you know, the Muhurat's happening and everything, and it's got Dharminder in a double role, playing father and son, and there's Shatrughan Sinha, and there's Kimi Katkar, and then
I'm scared to laugh, yaar. I don't know whether it's correct to do or
no,
not.
there's Kimi Katkar, there's Dimple Kapadia, there's Danny Denzompa, and this
Huge,
and that, and all of that, and I'm like, okay. And so as a first AD, it's my job to go to the production. That time there used to be no EPs. Go to the production guy and say, his name was Amar Sharma, very nice man. ऐसे अमर जी वो कल का board ले लो. तो board क्या होता है? कि you would say how many junior artists I want tomorrow.
Oh.
Okay, so in that we would write that. I said
Like the call sheet.
Yeah, not a call sheet. There was no concept of call sheets. So Apurva Lakhia brought call sheets into India.
Apurva, wrong man.
No, yeah.
Why did you do that? He had a board.
Yeah, no, listen. So we would go to the guy and say, you know, because it's a location, ये पूरा गांव का location है. तो कल इतने गांव वाले चाहिए. मतलब 300 का crowd चाहिए. 300 में 200 मेल, 100 फीमेल या 150 मेल, 100 ये 50 बच्चे. फिर उसमें ना ABC होता है. Class. Because अगर गांव वाले हैं, so they'll wear, they'll wear your, you know, cheaper clothes. वो एक क्लास है अगर पार्टी का सीन है ग्लास लेके खड़े पीछे
class
you know, तो
economic
वो,
class
हाँ तो वो they will wear suits.
Correct.
So you pay a little more. So anyway I would go to the guy and say अमर जी कल 300 का crowd है 300 पीछे से आवाज आती थी and I would turn and the producer standing. I'm not taking his name but he's a dear friend but his name was Rajan Sippy and Rajan Sippy would go 300 Sanjay this is a Rajan Sippy film Sharma ji 500 bulao.
Wow.
So one has, you know, gone through that also. And suddenly on the set, you know, first day of shoot, 7 o'clock shift and Muhurat day, everything. We're on set on time, everything. This is really funny. So we're shooting on the old airport, right? So the sequence is this car comes, convertible with Dimple Kapadia in it, and a plane lands with Sharat Saxena as the pilot.
It actually lands?
Yeah. And this whole thing. And then he gets out and she gets out and they walk. And she gives a bag and he gives a bag. He's giving diamonds, she's giving cash. And she drives off and he gets back into the plane. And this plane is about to take off. And he's doing like that. He's driving and suddenly goes, and he does this. And then he does this. And like, what the fuck? What happened? And he looks out. And he looks out of the window. And you cut and he's out of the window and the camera's tracking. Like that along the length of the plane and where the wheels are and the wheels are being pulled kadak. But there's a rope around the wheel and then from that rope your camera charges, you follow the rope and it goes and it's in Dharmender's hands. And that is the hero's introduction. He's holding the plane back from taking off. And that guy is saying ye tum kya kar rahe ho? And he says ye Suraj ka panja hai and all that. Fine. So now Dharamji is not come. And so we've taken shots with the duplicate. So then the boss suddenly has this thing. Oh, I got it. Bidu, come on. Go, get me some blood. Get me blood. Get me some sponge. I'm wondering what the fuck has blood and sponge got to do with this? And so we get it. And he takes it and he puts it, puts the blood in the sponge. Calls that fighter. Idhar aao tum. Pakdo. Dabana mat. Action mein dabana. हाँ सर क्या दबाऊं इसको दबाओ एक्शन में बोला ठीक है so he's holding it on the rope and ready okay yeah camera here okay yeah ready action and he presses it So fucking blood is falling out of his. So he's
With the
pulling that
pulling,
much.
uh-huh.
Anyway, so this
But no
is
close
happening.
of the face, obviously.
No, nothing. So now my senior calls me and he says, "You have a bike, right?" I said, "Yeah, I have a bike." Or you go to Villepale station and get a rolling school board. I'm saying, rolling school board? What? To leke na jaake, without saying, each line goes with 5 galis in Punjabi.
Yeah.
Okay. I said, okay, so I'm going looking at it. By the time I come back, like Dharmender has come. So, and I'm this kid, man. I'm this Sydenham kid. And whatever. So, the sensibility.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Dharmender comes, shooting chalu. So, I park my bike. I go with that board. I say, yo, Vijay, his name was Vijay. Board. That. And I said, I think short chal raha hai. And I'm seeing, so even I'm watching, first time I'm seeing Dharmender.
Dharmender live. Huh.
And he says, ye Shankar ka panja hai. And I'm just looking at Dharmender's hand. It is this big, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like, oh, fuck, okay, that's Dharmender, man.
Yeah.
Fine. And suddenly I realized, I said, ये शंकर का पंजा शॉर्ट तो ले लिया, पंजे पे खून ही नहीं है.
Oh shit.
So then I go to the ED after that. The shot is okay. Dharamji has gone back. There used to be no vans. He's going and sitting in a corner with a guy holding a umbrella. So I go to the ED. I said, Vijay, we have a problem. क्या problem है? I said, वो shot retake करना पड़ेगा. क्यों retake करना पड़ेगा? I said, sir, वो shot में उसके हाथ में खून नहीं है. धर्मेंद्र को शंकर के पंजे में खून है. He just looked at me. Have you lost your mind? You think you're going to go tell Dharmender to reshoot a shot? Shut up. So anyway,
continuity mein this happens.
So listen,
this happens.
Yeah. And then you cut to the editing room. Okay, editing room में क्या होता था? Editor Steenbeck. Editor बैठता था, associate director and the director. And we juniors would sit at the back on a bench. We're quietly sitting there watching. And I was also an assistant editor, so I used to get the cuttings. So I was just sitting there watching. And I'm waiting, and now that shot comes. So first, they've lined up. So there's that blood and this and that. And then he says, "Ye Shankar ka panja." Ashok, roko. Itna bola boss ne. Ashok, roko. Main samajh gaya. And then you switch on the light. Light comes on. And he looks at Ved. What the fuck? Where is the continuity? Where is the blood on his hand? So I'm sitting, अच्छा वो साला stop frame में बाकी assistant कब गायब हो गए room से मुझे मालूम नहीं. Because though haramis knew what was coming. I am like an
blame
idiot.
comes on you all.
No, I'm sitting over there like that, watching. And boss fires Vijay. Vijay, कौन कहाँ है? Sanjay? कौन कहाँ है? So, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm the one. Anyway, so now this whole
What do
thing
you
is-
say?
You have to keep quiet
You take
now.
the beating.
Boss, yeah, you don't rat. So you keep quiet.
Huh.
Now, after he goes, right? And I don't know how much language we can do over
Please
here.
use the language. Tell the
No,
story.
because this is hilarious.
No, you have to say it. Give the language.
So, when the boss is gone, I go to the associate director and I say, Vijay, are you fucked my happiness only bastard? I said, I told you. Oh, continuity. You know what he did to me? He said, मेरे बच्चे मेरे लाल मेरे बुल्ले के बाल
मेरे बच्चे मेरे लाल मेरे बुल्ले के बाल. This is a beautiful compliment you give of passing by, when you're on the highway.
ऐसा होता है. We're like, what the fuck? ऐसा होता है. So yeah, so what I was trying to say is, I come from that.
Yeah.
That's where we started, man.
Yeah.
Right up to these 5-6 makeup and idiots. So one has seen the entire spectrum. The way we've started from black and white TVs and now come to all of this. Our kids will never know this.
No.
These kids will never know what it is like
No,
to
they're
work
horrible.
with those actors.
Yeah.
And their eccentricities and that.
The fact that you're
That
working on the
madness.
board, firstly, and you have to physically go and talk to them and
No,
tell
no,
them
and I'll
everything.
quickly tell you one more
Tell me lots
moment.
more.
No, one more moment from the same film shoot.
But after Bulle Ke Lal, it's going to be tough to go up.
Oh, but no, this is on par.
I can't believe it.
This is on par where Shatrughan Sinha and Dharmender and Raj Sippy and all the big daddies are sitting between shots, right? And we are struggling there कि वो crowd जमा करो, ये करो, वो करो, सब चल रहा है. And a car comes and stops. And this producer gets out of the car, one of the producers. And he gets out of the car and he says, "Hum aa gaye." Okay, it's a very flamboyant, those white pants, white
Wanna be
shoes.
hero producer.
Yeah, that whole thing and all that. And that whole big puffed up hair and all. And he goes,
But I have
"Hum
to,
aa
you
gaye."
have to pause and figure out who they are. No? Quickly
No,
write
but-
names.
No, but so now here's the instant retort without thinking, without seconds, with no seconds in between. One guy says, "Hum aa gaye." And in that same tone, Shatrughan Sinha, who's sitting His back is to the guy. He's sitting there. He says, मैं बोलने की औकात नहीं बोलते हम आ गए. So after
But he didn't know who it was.
Huh?
He knew from the voice.
Yeah,
or
of course he knew. Yeah, but I'm just saying that you see somewhere it's also tongue in cheek.
Uh-huh.
No, but I mean I will never hear these lines
Again.
again.
They're too correct now, no?
Yeah,
All the guys.
ever. No, out of the question. Yeah. You know, you can't use the word aukat on set.
Politically incorrect words. and
Exactly.
all
What
that.
Sapna? There was thank God now like my kids had started in between. Daddy, you cannot say this and you cannot
Serious?
say that.
If you use the F word?
I go F word is this thing. F word is okay.
Acha, you can't
cannot-
go like homosexual and
No,
words
no,
that
all
are,
that and the B word and all of that.
What is the B word?
The black.
Oh, black.
You
didn't like Sanjay Leela. You didn't like Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film.
No. I tell him, I said, Beta, I am a Kalia and how is that? What have you? Where
You
we
can't
got
say
a problem?
Kalia, Baba. That's much worse than black. Black you can say.
But that's what I'm saying, na. So
Yeah, we are from another world.
Yeah.
Leave it.
I'm taking them for lunch one day, and they're very happy, and we're going there. I said, you can come to have lunch over here, but you have a problem with the word.
What is the place?
A very nice restaurant in Bandra called Chin Chin Chu.
Oh, that's a good point. That's a good point. It's
You
slightly
can come and
racist
eat
over-
in Chin
Yeah,
Chin
yeah.
Chu, but you cannot say Chinky.
Yeah. Famous Hindi song also, but it still sounds like a racist sort of. Yeah.
But it is a Chinese place.
Yeah. I know. It's
Yeah,
very
so-
famous.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So what?
Good point. Very good point, sir. All these points are being taken down. Don't worry. Huh. So let's get back onto the career, the legacy of Sanjay Gupta as we come to it. So then you were Raj Sippy. You're still the gopher. You're still the guy who's you can't even tell them what to do. You can see what's going on.
Yeah, of course.
All that is
Yeah,
happening. And somebody
You're
was
just a fly on the wall.
you must also realize, man, I can make a movie.
Yeah.
With no disrespect to some of the people.
Because if they can, then I can.
That's what. Exactly.
Anybody can.
Yeah. With continuity. Simple thing.
Simple,
Blood on the
simple.
hand, blood on the rope. Simple. Yeah.
There is no Shankar ka panja.
Wow. And the heroes don't come and say anything about all this.
No, nothing. Yeah, nothing.
Those days
Heroes
at
what?
least.
So as assistants,
Uh,
the main hero I worked with all my life was Sanjay Dutt.
yeah.
Sanjay Dutt is a bloody nightmare for any assistant director.
Why?
So we're shooting of a film called Thanedar.
Hmm.
So Thanedar, hey, Sanju ko bulao, हाँ, अरे संजू चलना है, आना है, हाँ, क्या सीन है ये? Now he's doing his rehearsal. Okay, so there's Madhuri Dixit or Jitinder, whoever, and he comes with a stick and he marrows his line and all. Okay, हाँ, trolley, correct, हाँ, चलो, take track, हाँ, take. Yeah, okay. So now all fancy terms are there. Final checkups and this and that and all.
Yeah,
of
final checkups.
Yeah, all that nonsense. That time, makeup. So makeup wala aata tha. So last minute, the makeup man is showing the mirror, and Sanjay Dutt is doing this. Now that fucker at some point of time, while doing that, he's removed the producer, the inspector's nameplate.
Oh no.
Okay,
हाँ.
चुपचाप
हाँ.
वो ऐसा निकाल के उसके हाथ में दे दिया. वो अपने बैग में डाल दिया. वो चला गया. अरे टेक, ओके यार, एक्शन, fucking हाँ, ओके, सुपर शॉट. हाँ, अनु भाई, अभी ये शॉट लगाओ, ऐसा करो, ये करो. And suddenly, hey, Daddu, yaar, your assistant, man, fuck, that's such idiots, that. Okay, what happened? He says, this is not there, nobody saw. And the firing we used to get from the pause. Now, how the fuck are we going to know in the middle of the take this fucker's removed it?
But why did he remove it?
Just to get us fucked.
Oh, it's like a prank.
Yeah, it's a prank. These were the pranks.
Yeah.
So one of the pranks he pulled on this guy, the assistant, used to be my junior, name was Bharat. Those days, Bharat used to write continuity. And continuity used to be these books. And you had to put that carbon paper because you needed 4 copies. The master went to production, then went to the law lab, editing room, direction department. वो बेचारा 4 ऐसा डाल के बैठ के ऐसा लिख रहा है. I mean, in middle of the shoot, once he's reached the end of the page, and this fucker would wait for that at the end of the page. End of the page, then that would come. Come here. भरत यार, अरे यार भरत, मेरा वो उधर ना वो रह गया वो टोपी, वो ले आना please. So Bharat would go running about 100 meters away. So while Bharat is gone, this guy would take that thing and just turn the papers around. I mean, how fucking
But
sick
it's
is
his
he?
film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but right, that's it.
Yeah,
And that poor Bharat has come back and he's written everything and then changed it and gone into the next set, which has also been changed. So by the time we're packing up, Bharat is called and told, look, all your pages are blank. Which means when we go back to the room in an outdoor shoot,
don't
all
know-
evening poor
we don't have
Bharat
the
is sitting and
continuity.
going over his own thing
Arey.
and writing. So, I mean, yeah, those are pranks. Yeah, I mean, you're like, and you're right. I can't pull that prank on my ADs today.
But have you pulled pranks when you became a director? Did you do all this?
Yeah, we used to do lots. Yeah.
Huh?
Lots, yeah.
On the actors?
Yeah, but now you let me remember who, what. I mean, I not really, but yeah, we're doing it all the
Okay,
time.
we'll come to that.
Yeah, we'll
see.
come to that. Let
We'll
it
see.
come.
We'll take a break. We've been talking. There's so much to talk about. Oh, forget the movies.
Yeah.
These are more interesting, the stories.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Movies
na.
can be the research
Yeah.
later. Yeah.
No, he was telling me to. I said, yeah, how much am I going to tell my story?
Yeah.
कि ये क्या, वो क्या,
No,
rather,
this is
you know.
fabulous. All that's missing are names. But I think we can put it, guys. If we put our heads together, we can
No,
get
fuck,
every
I've
name.
given you most of the names.
You've given it. Almost given it.
yeah.
Once or twice you actually gave it also. Raj Sippy Productions, we'll have to be a little careful now. Yeah.
No, that's okay. He's also one of the coolest guys, man.
They're not bad stories. They're legendary stories, yeah.
Of course,
They're all
man.
good. In a way, they make the myth and the legend happen over the years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arey, boss, it's just.
All right, we take a quick break. Sanjay is going to tell us some horrible stories when we come back. So stay where you are.
It's time. Create the life you've always dreamed of. Join me, Ashton Doctor, on a journey of self-discovery, productivity, and wellness. In just a few minutes, we'll bring you practical insights and actionable tips to help you build positive habits that stick. Tune in to The Compounding Mindset, brought to you by Access Mutual Funds. Subscribe to the podcast now and start your transformation today. Don't wait, do it now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Okay, Sanjay Gupta here. Sanjay Gupta here. I mean, I'm not Sanjay Gupta. Sanjay Gupta there. I'm Cyrus Broacha. 30 years doing anchoring and can't remember how to introduce anyone. But that's not important. What's important is, do you ever think of writing a book of all these anecdotes? And all?
I am. As a matter of fact, a very dear friend of mine is also my writer. His name is Bilal Siddiqui. And he's written a couple of books and everything. So Bilal has just been commissioned by Simon and Schuster or something, whatever they
That's
call
a
it.
big publishing company.
Yeah, so they have just commissioned him to write a book about with me and Dutt in it.
Huh.
So it's very interesting. It's just Dutt and me in conversation.
You call him Dutt now.
Yeah.
I know you all are close, but...
Yeah, always. I mean, whatever. So,
This-
so me and Sanju. So us in conversation. And I'm telling you, that's going to be one hell of a book.
So you're going to tape the conversation.
Yeah, he's going to record the
And
conversation.
you'll argue about things and...
And like
recall
one
things.
of the best books on cinema is Hitchcock by Truffaut.
Yeah.
Okay, which was written, and so it's an ode to Hitchcock, and Truffaut is his biggest self-proclaimed fan. But that book is actually a 72-hour interview between the two of them, and the whole book is in question and answer format. So it's very interesting to read also. You know, this guy did, Cameron Crowe did a book on Billy Wilder years later, same thing in conversation. So a similar thing, we're just the two of us in conversation. So a lot of what we are talking about will actually go
come
down
back. We'll come back.
Yes, in the written word. So yes, that is one. But me, at some point in time, I definitely want to write my memoirs.
Also, before you
Whatever.
forget, sometimes you might forget. You never know.
No, I won't. But forget all that. But I have a great title.
What's the title?
The title of my memoir, the title of whatever.
Huh.
It's the line that you've heard the most. I'm a Hindi film director.
Bolo.
बचपन से लेकर आज तक.
Wow. बचपन से लेकर आज तक.
And-
Ding, ding, ding.
Exactly. And what is an autobiography if not that?
It's like, and in fact, you've spoon-fed them in a way.
Exactly.
This is the
Yeah.
root,
So that's it. So
Yeah.
that's that whole
Yeah.
the Gabbar Singh kind of.
Yeah.
But yeah, it'd be full of all this, man.
Yeah, sometimes you wonder, you miss the 70, 80 feel to Hindi films.
Oh, yeah.
Even the kitschy feel that we had also it's another art form. And it just sort of goes out now with the
So this
more realistic
I'll
filmmaker.
send it to you later. I'll share it with you so you can even put it out there because it's really cool. So this whole Friendship Day nonsense, everywhere, happy Friendship Day, happy
Yeah,
Friendship Day.
yeah.
This, that. I sent out this amazing image, which I send every year. You know that actor Sudhir?
Yeah.
And Ranjit.
Yeah.
The two of them in identical shirts going, So yeah, you missed that also.
Yeah. That twin comedy thingy
Yeah.
where they're all dressed the same.
No,
and
where
everything.
these bad
Yeah.
guys are the lecherous bad guys.
Yeah. Oh, love that.
Wearing identical shirts and then,
Used to
drooling
look,
over
the bad guy
women.
lecherous look was
Yeah.
fantastic. That's gone.
Fully.
No? I learned all
No,
that.
no, it was this. No? The bad guy was always constantly
To-
doing.
yeah.
Jenny. And I'm like, why the fuck would you go and scratch your chest?
Yeah. And which
Talking
girl
to
is
a woman,
impressed?
yeah.
And which girl gets impressed
Yeah,
when you
by
do
that, when you're going to,
baby.
Jenny.
Nobody thought it through. Yeah.
So,
But it should stay. We should have that. It should never go
We
completely.
just have it in parodies now. No?
Yeah. That's like, what are we doing here? But okay, so let's get back to the. So then, after Raj Sippy Productions, you're still in.
No, then after that, I met with the Sippies and I was doing the post production, the sound and the background music for a film called Patthar Ke Phool. And I was always into that. I was always into new
Everything.
technologies
Yeah.
and everything. So I did that, and that's how they saw my work and asked me what I want to do. I said, I'm a director. I want to direct films. And they gave me my first break, Vijay Sippy. And it was Sippy Films. So, it didn't get bigger than that back in the 90s.
Correct. Yeah.
So in that sense, I was very lucky. I always say that it's my business, it's our business. It's a combination of both, man. It's talent and luck. One without the other doesn't.
Yeah, but isn't
It
that
doesn't
life
work.
also, no? Not to sound
Yeah,
philosophical.
absolutely, of
Without
course.
little luck, you can't do anything.
Yeah, just being
You
in
can't
the
get
right
a rickshaw
place.
and bloody car without luck. I mean, let's be honest.
I'm telling you, like being in the right place at the right time is extremely important. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like me going to Sydenham, I come from a small little
You're a Bandra boy,
school,
no?
Bandra boy, but like in the bylanes of Bandra, the small little school.
These people, Mumbaikars today won't understand because they're so well connected thanks to the coastal road that
Yeah.
Mumbai Sydenham, Bandra Sydenham will be 20 minutes.
Less.
Yeah, less. So,
It's 11 minutes from the ceiling to
yeah, but back then it wasn't.
B
You
road.
find your way to a station and then find your way there.
No, then you take a train and then
Yeah,
you
all
land over
that,
there and
yeah.
walk to your college
Correct.
and all that. So yeah, that was a different, it was a different time altogether, which is not the case anymore. But the point is that I did not have the score. I didn't have the math, the marks to
Right.
get admission in Sydenham, and it was a
So how did you get in?
One day I came home and there's this lady sitting with my mom. It was my mom's friend who would visit her at times, and she said my pet name. My parents were extremely creative and everything. So my pet name was Munna. There's a lot of thought that
soon
went
to
into
become
it.
a huge
Even
star in
Sanjay-
Hindi films.
Yeah, even Sanjay for that matter. Like I used to tell them, I said, did you think about it? I said, आप 4 पत्थर फेंकोगे लिंकिंग रोड पे तो चारों संजय पे गिरेंगे.
True.
So anyway, so she was just sitting there and she said, oh, what are you doing these days? And I had just come back and I had gone everywhere. KC college rejected me, yaar. KC, HR. all that. So, didn't have the money. So I just said, yeah, and my mom said, she said, no, he's looking for admission. He's been going to different colleges. And I didn't have the heart to tell my mother, because she was a single mother and I didn't have the heart to tell her that I'm not getting admission anywhere. And so that lady said, अच्छा, कहाँ चाहिए तुमको admission? मैं करा देती हूँ. I actually got pissed, man. I was like, who the hell do you think you are, yaar?
Yeah.
So it was out of sheer anger. अच्छा, हाँ, Sydenham College में चाहिए. हाँ, कल सुबह 11 बजे तैयार रहना. अच्छा, हाँ, ठीक है. And I walked off. Threw the file, went out to play. Next morning, my mom at 10:30 said, why aren't you ready yet? I said, why? Saying that she's going to come. Her name was Geeta Kapoor. And she said, वो गीता आएगी. I said, गीता की क्या करेगी? She's saying, she said, nah, she's going to take you, she'll get your admission done. And I'm like, mom, just get ready. I said, okay. I had no choice. I got ready. And dot 11 o'clock, a taxi came outside my house. Geeta Kapoor was there. She said, sit. I sat down. Taxi drove into town. She took me straight to Sachivalaya. And I'm just following her. And we go straight to the CM's office, man.
Huh?
And she is not even...
Can we get her on the podcast?
No, listen, she's... God bless her soul, she's passed away.
Sorry.
But the thing is that we did not even have to wait.
Who is this lady?
She took me straight into the CM's office. I'm forgetting his name. The CM in the mid-80s. And she said, ये मेरा भाई है. हाँ, कौन सा? She could not even pronounce Sydenham. So she said, कौन सा college है वो क्या? So I said, Sydenham College. हाँ, ठीक है. So he called his PA. इनका letter बना दो Sydenham College के लिए. So he said, letter नहीं चलेगा. So I'm like, अरे more than happy, give the letter यार. What is she doing? She's saying, नहीं letter नहीं चलेगा. तुम phone करो उसको. Principal को phone करो. So this guy's going to get the letter. There I've got the chief minister calling the principal.
Wow.
Modak was the principal.
Bro, that's fantastic. What
and
pull?
saying, ये आ रहा है तो मैं तो star जा रहा था Sydenham में, boss.
Oh my God.
By the time I walked into Sydenham, I had a guy waiting. His PA, the principals.
Wow.
They
bro.
took me up and by 1
This
o'clock...
is as filmy as it gets.
Yeah, by 1 o'clock I had a ID card. That red ID card, ugly one. Oh, I couldn't believe it.
The paper.
With a plastic
Yeah,
cover
like a
on
card,
it and all that.
Yeah.
Now, I was just sitting at home staring at it all day. Yeah. I was like, shit, it actually happened.
But who was this lady? What power does she have?
She knew. She was a...
Connected in politics?
Yeah. She was a wheeler dealer.
Huh.
The point is that, boss, like I said, life throws...
Did you ever...
and I know my entire life changed after I went to Sydenham. Like till I went to Sydenham, I had a 8 to 16 mm outlook to life. It suddenly became 70 mm. The first day I went into college and I'm sitting on this bench right at the back, too scared and completely in awe of the South Bombay kids wearing all the fancy clothes and accents and this and that. I'm quietly one sitting at the back. And this guy sitting next to me, I smiled. I said, I am Sanjay. Very sheepishly. And he also, hi, I'm Rajiv. There's a fucking Rajiv Goenka.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that, and he became my first friend in college.
Yeah.
So suddenly you start from
Did he
there.
put money in your films?
Huh? No.
ये कैसा friendship है?
Rajiv!
ये दोस्ती कैसा
Yeah,
दोस्ती है?
दोस्ती नहीं निभाया.
What is going on here? Yeah? First friend in Sydney, that's a huge connection. Yeah.
Yeah, but
You put the money on the table, right?
No,
now?
but it paid off in a sense that Rajiv owns the school my kids go to.
Ah.
He's one of the trustees.
you did
and
your own
everything
Gita
of
Kapoor. You
he
walk
called.
into- yeah.
Yeah, so when I went to him, I said, boss, chal. मेरे लिए नहीं क्या मेरे बच्चे लोग के लिए तो कर.
Fair enough. But so you got into Sydenham, your whatever, you fish out of water for a little while. But when does you were in Sydenham when you did Jalwa? So when did the kida come that I have to get into the film line?
No. Even when I went to Sydenham, by then, my mind was clear that not film line. I wanted to make movies. I wanted to do something with entertainment.
Yeah.
So even in Sydenham, 5 years I was there.
Yeah.
And while I was also working, I did a lot of plays in Sydenham. I made a film in Sydenham and all of that. And I kept assisting on the side. And that's it. And somehow it coincided, Cyrus, that I finished my studies and I think I was done as a AD. Because see, after a point it becomes mechanical. There's nothing creative
Right.
in being an AD.
Right.
So by then I wanted to move on and everything. And then I did, yeah.
The main question, but do you think that as an AD, when you work with a lot of directors, after some time you realize that, bro, I can do better than them? Because you're literally, without being arrogant, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no. I never felt that.
Yeah.
Never felt that. Yeah, there's enough to learn here. I don't think I can do better than both of them even today. It's as simple. Because they're in their own way. I mean, Pankaj is a genius.
Yeah.
Rajsipi is the maker of Satte Pe Satta, yaar.
What a film.
It starts and ends over there. I mean, finished. So there's no way I can, but I was lucky that at least I got a chance to, work with them and at least be a part of their eccentricities.
I want to talk about Kante as much as we can before we run out of time. But you mentioned before we started about cycling. You said you were like a cycling champion or something?
No, I was a state level cyclist. See, I'll tell you what, growing up, the years were not easy. Let me just put it that way. So my escape was a cycle that my father bought me. So I was on it. I was just go to school,
BSA, SLR?
come back. No, rally.
Rally?
Yeah.
I had a bike, yeah.
I had a rally sport.
Life
But
bike.
the Indian rally sport.
But still.
Yeah. I still remember I had a rally sport. It was bottle green in color. That was my first one. And then when I started getting a little more serious, my dad bought me again from Kalba Devi, I went and got the BSA 3 gear.
Which
one
Vijay
with the
Amritras
bent-
was the ad.
Yeah,
I
with the
remember.
bent handle
yeah.
and the thin tires.
Yeah.
That was the pro cycle. So I went and got that. And yeah, so that continued till I think FIJC, till I bought my first bike. My dad bought me the Hero Honda
What a bike.
CB100. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
And life changed. It was never the same again.
It used to give 70 on the liter.
Oh yeah.
Unbelievable.
Fill it, shut it, forget
Fill it,
it.
shut it, forget it. Yes, those are lines. What perfect advertising, no?
Simple. One line.
I just remember a biker when coming at the thing and asking for 1 liter, and it is 1 liter is a 2 days supply,
Yeah.
3 days supply. Good enough.
I have this observation, and it's and I'm sure you know everything about it. But our growing years, our school years, and almost going into college, like for some reason in India, everything was in twos.
Meaning?
There was only Bata and Corona.
Oh, that way. The
Okay,
competition.
there was no other.
Yeah.
There was
Thumbs Up, Campa.
Coca-Cola, yeah, Thumbs Up and Campa.
Then Coco.
Then there was so in everything, literally you can,
Yeah.
there was Colgate and there was Binaka.
Yeah. Like
So
in
there
my
was
house,
Fiat and
In
Ambassador.
my house, I've got my wife's Aisha, my girlfriend's Binaifer. So,
See, correct. So you're still in those times. You're stuck at 2.
I'm worse than that. Who's that guy who told you the continuity is not important?
Huh? Yeah, my Vinci.
And then what's the phrase? Bulle ka
मेरे
baal.
बच्चे मेरे लाल
मेरे बच्चे मेरे लाल,
मेरे बुल्ले के बाल.
मेरे बुल्ले का बाल. So heartwarming, yeah. Stepping stone to greatness for Sanjay Gupta from this kahavat learned by heart. So you competed in all that?
Yeah. I used to at that college level
Huh.
and all that. And like I did, but like I said, only till
You got
the
the bike.
12th because I got a bike and then I was also working. So then that kind of took a back seat.
So come on, tell us a little bit about Kante because you put all these guys together. I've seen the film. I really like the film. Also like Reservoir Dogs. The genres.
Huh.
I think people who like the genre, which is like it. I think it was a fantastic. If you like tribute, I don't know what you'd like to say.
No,
because
then you
I've
missed
heard-
City on Fire.
Sorry,
City on Fire.
City on Fire is the.
City on Fire is where Reservoir Dogs is taken from.
Oh, is it?
Frame for frame, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a Hong Kong
you've
film.
seen-
Yeah,
Oh, it's a
and
Hong Kong
City
film.
on Fire goes back to The Killing. Stanley Kubrick, 1954.
But the City
So,
on Fire have the same ear cutting scene and all that. Those
Not the
kind of-
ear cutting, but it's
But
the same
similar,
thing. It's
intimidating.
No, it's 6 gangsters who go out and do a robbery,
With
come
colored-
back and
colored
they
names.
realize one of them is a snitch.
Yeah.
You know, so I mean, that is something that was taken. But I'll tell you something, Cyrus, and
No, but I think
it'll
the
be
first
very
time,
no. But let me tell you something. It'll be very difficult for people to believe this. But when I say it, it's a fact. I've still not seen Reservoir Dogs. I'm looking into the. I have not seen. I have always started the films to get bored after the first 10 minutes, 12 minutes.
I love that film.
Yeah, I know, but I used to just get bored and I would turn it off. It was just the idea. And now when you come to think of it, Kante is 18 reels.
Okay.
The Warehouse starts at reel number 12.
Oh,
So where did the 12 reels come from?
good point.
You see, that whole first 1 hour, 15 minutes is not there in Reservoir Dogs. So and even Tarantino has gone on record to say that how he felt it's a far superior film and he loved the film and this. And
Yeah, I
that
read
and
that.
everything.
Is that true?
Yeah, of course it's true. And he's said it.
But I don't think
multiple
it
times.
loses anything in against Reservoir Dogs. I've seen both.
No,
I
nothing.
haven't seen City on Fire.
City on Fire.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, but like I said, everything is from
Yeah.
you just have to know what is what. But having said that, I mean, so the origins.
But how were they to work with? You put all these guys together from
No, nothing,
Amitabh to
yeah.
Sanjay Dutt to. You
No,
know,
because I had written the film. It was called Dagdi Chol. I was going through a very lean phase.
but
in my
isn't that
career.
Arun Gowli's story?
Yeah. No, it's not his Gowli, not his story, but his chawl, Dagdi chawl. Dagdi means stone. So it's a chawl made from stones, from
Right,
rocks.
right.
Right. So it was at one point of time the most secure place in Bombay because the cops could not enter. The underworld could not enter. That's why Gowli was so secure in that space. So I had this idea. Okay, we've all grown up with that urban myth, legend of the famous robbery in Tribhuvan Das Bhimji,
Yeah.
where the guys never got caught. Till
Correct.
today.
Till today,
It
huh?
remains unsolved.
huh.
They even made a film with Akshay Kumar on it called Special Chabbis. So my take on it was that what if those boys who did that robbery from there come back to Dagdi Chol and they never gotten caught. They're back there and they're splitting their loot. And they're very happy that they pulled off the ultimate heist. And at that point of time, the place is suddenly surrounded by cops. And they're like, this is impossible unless one of us is a cop. So that was the germ of Kante. And I actually went to Dutt telling him that, Sanju, I want you to present this film. I want to do it with newcomers. And he said, tell me what it's about. When I told him, he said, no, I want to play that character of Ajju. And I said, yeah, no, don't start your fucking nonsense again. You know, if you're Ajju, then the other guys also have to be of a certain
Age goes
stature.
up. Yeah.
No, age and stature.
Age and stature, yeah.
So I said, here I want to do something, where I don't have to think about box office. I want to go and make my film. He said, no, you do this. And the only actor in that, because also he's a brother, mentor, everything, is Naseeruddin Shah. So Nasir Bhai was the character that Mr. Bachchan played later. So he told me, he said, but why are you taking Nasir Bhai? You take Amit Ji, no? I said, see, there you go. I said, yeah, you started your nonsense, na? Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan mere saath kaam karega kya? And that's it. And he just made a call to Mr. Bachchan and said, sir, I'm producing a film with my brother and he wants to narrate. And I'm just looking at his face. I said, really, ask me this. And Amit Ji said, yeah, send him tomorrow. I said, no, give me a day to prepare. So I went the day after.
You told
Saju.
Amitabh Bachchan that I'll need one more day.
No, Saju told him that
Oh,
he'll
wow.
come day after, not tomorrow. No, my story with Mr. Bachchan is really funny.
Please tell.
So I go to narrate to Mr. Bachchan and, you have to, his office in his house. Now, and I'm sure if he's hearing this, he's done this on purpose. Which is, you enter his staircase. You have to walk 2 stories, right? From the ground floor, from the moment you walk in to the time you open the door and walk into his room, his office, the entire bloody place is full of black and white pictures of Mr. Bachchan from his heyday. And when you're walking, you feel this little,
Intimidating, yeah.
completely intimidating. And there's this one picture, just his back to camera, his hand like that, and there's a sea of people when he went into politics. So you're seeing all of that, So you walk up only thinking, boss, ye to main abhi kidhar aa gaya? Ye paanch so Steven Spielberg.
Your
ek
confidence has gone down completely, huh?
And then he stepped out of the room wearing this white patani and white shawl. And, hi, I'm Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, sure. I said, hi, sir, I'm Sanjay. And he took me into his room and he said, sit, I'll just come. I said, okay. And I'm sitting alone in Mr. Bachchan's personal office. And I know he's an audiophile, I'm an audiophile. So my first thing was I'm looking at the back and I'm seeing what speakers he uses, what amps he uses, this, that. The other thing I noticed was a mug double this size on his table, which was overflowing with Mont Blanc pens.
Oh.
So I was like, wow, man. I said, yeah, he's Amitabh Bachchan, yaar. हमारे घर में roller ball नहीं मिलता है.
Yeah.
Anyway, and then he came and he sat down. He says, yeah, Sanjay, so, I said, okay, sir. And I was nervous. And I started narrating to him, and I'm being a good boy, doing my narration, you know. And after about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, I feel it's not going right. So I kind of stopped. And I said, sir, yeah, tell me. So I said, sir, if you don't mind, can I just narrate it in my way? एक आध गाली वाली निकल जाएगी, sir, but you know. No, you just narrate it the way you want to. In my mind, I swear to God, in my mind was only one thought. I said, someday I'll tell my children. I'll tell my grandchildren.
I use MCBC in front
No,
of Amitabh Bachchan.
no. कि मैंने अमिताभ बच्चन को subject सुनाया था, boss. From where I come.
Yeah.
You know, especially where we've grown up watching.
You grew up in the 80s and all that.
Muqaddar ka Sikandar and Lawar. Amitabh Bachchan.
God.
So I said, boss, this is the one chance you have. Fuck it, give it all you got. So I started narrating. And he said, oh, fuck this shit. The whole thing. Now the thing about Mr. Bachchan.
No reaction.
No reaction, man.
Impassive. Yeah.
He just sits. It's like that. His jaw slightly, his mouth is slightly open.
Yeah.
And he's just looking, he's staring. I don't even think he blinks. So and I'm like, I'm narrating. And you know,
So you're not getting feedback from the audience.
Yeah, and you feed off that also.
Exactly.
As you go.
And it's like a thriller minute sort of movie script, yeah.
So that, and then it gets over. And it's over. It's over. But it's over.
Then?
There's no reaction. So you delivered your punchline, there's no reaction. Am I funny? Am I not funny? So the whole thing is that, and then that's the worst 20 seconds of my life. 20-25 seconds where even I'm sitting.
Silence.
Sitting back, silence के भाई अब बोलेगा, अभी बोलेंगे. कुछ नहीं बोले यार. Till I said, sir, what do you? Oh, I love it. Very nice. And he called up Sanju and said, yeah, Sanju, I love it. I was relieved, and in my mind I said, boss, बोल देता ना यार. I said, वो 20-25 सेकंड पूरा हार्ट इधर का इधर चला गया, क्या हो गया मालूम नहीं. You know that whole bit, yeah. You know,
stone faced.
And when I walked down, I literally walked down looking at those pictures. I said, देख लूंगा तो आज सेट पे. So yeah, it was just one.
But you shot in LA.
Yeah, I shot it in LA.
And did you shoot during the
9/11?
9/11. Correct. Yeah.
That was our day 4 of shoot. We started on the 7th. And then the 9/11 happened, and I remember I was being driven to location when the first tower went down, and I heard it on the radio. And I reached location, and we had this live sync sound recorder where there was we used to call it the station, the video station. And there was a small monitor. And everybody was hovering around it, and we saw the second tower go down, and we had to cancel our shoot, of course. And my first AD, her brother was in the building, the towers. The thing is that when I started pre-production on Kante, and that too in LA, I was a kid in a toy store. Because I went to LA and I said, this is where Seven was shot. This is where Swordfish was shot. This is where Usual Suspects was shot. I wanted all those locations. And all those locations are in downtown LA. They're not. So in Kante, ironically, except for that walk, the title sequence, I haven't shot...
All of them walking.
Yes. I haven't shot a single frame in Beverly Hills. Or in the fancier parts of Los Angeles.
But you knew all this in your head before going?
Yeah, I knew everything.
References?
I had every reference sorted, everything. I finalized all those locations. Now, what happens is downtown is an industrial area. So the minute 9/11 happened, they'd locked down everything. And most of our permissions were cancelled. And they said, can't shoot. Now, bigger thing. Just as we started shooting...
So you're walking out with guys with guns, brown-skinned guys with guns.
No, I tell you. So Mr. Bachchan had gone to the Morocco Film Festival where he was receiving an award for Lifetime Achievement. And on the 11th, he was on a British Airways flight from Heathrow to LAX. And 2 hours into the flight, it was turned around.
Because of
the 9/11. And he was waitlisted at the airport hotel for 4 days. That the next flight that starts... Because LAX
they shut the airports for 2 days and all.
That's it. So we were waiting for him to come. And then when he came, and anyway, so like what you're saying, now what happened is post 9/11, and naturally so, everybody went into, especially the Americans, they went to major panic alert and everything. Now, Sunil Shetty, Mahesh Manjrekar, you've seen their clothes and their hair.
Yeah.
And the thing.
And the racial profiling will happen, yeah. Come on.
No, but they used to get ready in the hotel and then come to the set.
Right.
Now, these two guys with their clothes and that and this and that, they both met and they had breakfast at the rooftop cafe or whatever.
A few days after.
Yeah. And then they get into the elevator to come down. And the elevator dings at another floor, and this old couple gets in and they look at them. And these two are standing, and that old couple suddenly turns. And by the time they've gone to the ground floor, that couple has stopped breathing. Boss, they were like,
in that leather and all.
yeah, they were like two black Osamas were standing behind them.
Yeah. Oof.
And the minute they got out, and these two guys got out, they realized, okay, there was tension in the air. They went and sat in the car, and they started driving to location. Midway, a cop car came up and stopped them.
Oh, they had identified them as suspects.
Yeah. So that couple went running to the reception.
Wow.
That these two guys, they look suspicious and this and that. They went and took the number of the car, the limo that was driving them to work. And these are not the stretch limos, the regular, those black Lincolns. They took the number. And that number was given to 911. And suddenly these guys were intercepted.
Wow.
And these guys also wondering, like, what the hell is going on?
I mean, thank God Sunil Shetty and Mahesh Manjrekar made it back to India, guys. We have footage of
Boss,
that.
thank God this was 2001.
Yeah.
And there was internet in America. There was Google.
Yeah.
So when they
Otherwise-
said, look, this is who I am.
Yeah.
So Sunil Shetty could show who he was. Who was Mahesh Manjrekar?
But he's got a lot of work.
Nothing. He was just a director. That was the first time he had acted.
Well, that was the first time he acted.
Yeah, that's the first time Mahesh faced the camera.
So what does Sony say? Usko leke ja.
भाई इसको लेके जाओ. No, he must have said, ये मेरा boy है. My PA. Yeah, but this happened, man. And I remember Amit ji telling us, so Amit ji was the only actor who was put up in the St. Regis. Okay, and which was in Century City. So every day after pack up, Amit ji would go back to his room. All of us were in different hotels. So he would just change everything in Century, in the same complex is the mall.
Right.
So Amit ji would just walk around the mall, pick up a book, pick up a DVD, whatever, and then he would come back to his room. That was his routine. And then one day he told us, he's saying, yeah, I've stopped going down. I just sit in my room.
People are staring.
Yeah. I said, why, sir? He's saying, no, people, everywhere I go, people are just staring. And they give me these dirty looks that who's this guy with this beard and he's tall and all of that. And so that's, I mean, that was happening.
Wow. But shootout at Wadala before we finish.
Yeah.
Tell us about that. Huh?
No, let me tell you about Shootout at Lokhandwala. That's where it started. I was on a flight back and these in-flight magazines, not in-flight, but this, The Week and all that. So in one of the magazines, this was in the year 2002, I see this article, a center spread, which said 10 years to the shootout in Lokhandwala.
Yeah.
And actually, because it happened in 92 and this was 2002. And what struck me was the image of the cop,
A. Khan.
A. Khan.
Yeah.
A.
I
Khan,
also remember this at front page. Huh?
Oh, bro, but A. Khan
From
walking
92.
in a building.
Yeah.
One of the Warsaw suburban buildings.
Correct, yeah.
There are bodies lying in the compound. Okay, and he's just walking, wearing these aviators.
Yeah.
Ray-Ban aviators. He's wearing a vest.
Vest,
His
correct.
shirt is open.
I remember this. Yeah.
And there's a gun tucked over here. And he's just walking like that. And I'm like, boss, ye to Sanjay Dutt chal raha hai.
Yeah.
You know,
The real Sanjay Dutt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh.
And next to him was a picture of Dawood Ibrahim. They are from the same community. They have the same face structure. They are both from Baramati. And he's got the same mustache style. And they had put this picture of him also wearing his trademark glasses. And I said, in another world, they look like twins, man. That is something that first attracted me.
yeah.
I was like, wow, what is this? And then the fact that, 282 policemen opened fire on a 2-bedroom hall flat.
282.
Yes. 282 policemen opened fire on a regular 2-bedroom hall flat in the middle of the door. I mean, in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
A working day.
Yeah.
There were housewives in the kitchens cooking.
Correct.
There were kids playing in the building. There's that. India, mein
How
to
did,
there's no
how did they
value.
get the permission to do that?
They didn't take permission. They didn't.
it was a covert
They were the
operation.
ATS.
Huh.
They just went in, all guns blaring. But the fact that happened and what really got me thinking was that here are 6 guys, as hardened as they may be, they're inside a flat, right? And they know that there are 300 policemen outside,
There's no
and they've
way.
come to kill. They've not come to capture.
Correct.
They know that, but now it had become. So what do? What were their last thoughts? I read a lot, Cyrus, and I've got some really interesting books. One of the books I have is called Death Row. And it is actually a 300-page book with 300 death row inmates on each page, where there's a picture, here born, here died, what offense, and last meal, last words. So it's always fascinating.
The psychology of the
Yeah, and
impending
think,
death.
yaar, what would you and me do in this room if we knew we were going to die in 1 hour?
I want to.
What's the call you were going to make?
Zomato.
That's
Yeah,
what.
come on. Let's have one great one before we go.
So that is what got me, going into it. And then I sat, I wrote it and everything. And it just turned out to be like this.
But the gangsters, what's happening in the thing? I mean, no one will really know. So that's also
That's fabricated.
you've
Of course.
creative license.
Obviously. So we've done all of that. We did a lot of research. and everything and all that. And I wrote that whole film. I was to direct it myself, but then we went in, did everything, and then I decided to take a break.
Yeah.
And that's where I met Apu and I said, yeah, there's a script, why don't you do it? I'll get you the star cast. And then the rest is history. And he made a brilliant film.
It's a great film.
All of that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how that happened. And then Ekta was my partner. And then it took us 7 years to make Shootout at Wadala. Because immediately after Lokhandwala, she said, sir, let's do a sequel. I said, yeah, but it has to be organic. It has to come to me in the sense, I mean, I can't go looking for that next
But
big
that's also a real
shootout.
story, no?
Yeah.
Huh.
But again, because it was just a thought, some writers brought to me after 7 years that there's this guy called Manya Surve, and he was killed.
Was
and
he
that
like the
was
most psychopathic of the lot?
one of those.
Yeah.
And they said he was the first guy who was killed in an encounter. That thought got me thinking that when did Bombay police decide that we're going to catch? I mean, we're going to kill and not catch.
Yeah.
Who gave the order? What was the story behind it?
This is all the 90s where all this started
All
happening,
90s,
no? Yeah,
80s.
yeah.
80s and 90s. Yeah, 90s, basically 90s. But I said that whole thing, that why? So that's what got me into the research. And I met with Hussain Zaidi. I was the first film industry person to sign him as a screenwriter. And he had not even published Baikala to, I mean, Dongri to Dubai. And that's how we got working on Wadala. You know, and now we're ready with the third one also.
Which is
at Baikala. The laws are running out.
Huh.
Yeah.
But who's it on?
Huh?
Who are the gangsters?
There's a whole new set of, I can't say that now, but I'll get my notices before the film goes on the floors. So, you know, by the time, so for my last film, Mumbai Saga, I don't know if you've seen it because it was killed in the second lockdown. Just before the lockdown, we released, and so it's available on Prime. And it's with John Abraham, Imran Hashmi, Sunil Shetty, blah, blah, blah. Everybody's there in it. So when I was making that film, on the same day, in the release, 2 weeks before release, we got notices from 3 different top guys from the underworld who each said that this is based on my life.
No, notice
And
the
how we
matlab,
made-
legal notices?
Legal notices.
They wanted money.
Yeah. No, they said that how can you make a film on my life without my permission?
Oh. But names are changed and all, no?
So names are changed, but they are saying, boss, this is and the best part is, so when my lawyers, and I have a kick-ass team, and they go into Bombay High Court, all 3 are represented by the same lawyer.
Huh?
And the judge is telling the lawyer, first you make up your mind.
Which one?
Which one of the 3?
Yeah.
Cannot be all 3, na?
Correct.
Coming
Yeah.
and making the same claim. Anyway, it was all thrown out. But that happens all the time. But yeah, so I mean, that's where it.
But I'm your entire audience, so many people are fascinated by the gangster genre.
Yeah, but again, that is the time, that first time you had a non-fiction film,
Yeah.
not disguised but presented
Yeah.
as a full-blown commercial Hindi entertainer
Yeah.
with the heroines, with the song and dance and the item numbers and the
Everything.
good guys, the
Yeah.
bad guys. A big inspiration for me when I was working on Lokhandwala was also Heat.
The Pacino and
Yeah, the
De Niro
Pacino
one.
and De Niro.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you had Pacino with the cops
Yeah. What is
and
good,
their
what is, yeah,
backstories.
what is bad.
So there were literally 2 gangs
Yeah.
on either side of the law who were going at it. And not that the guys with Pacino were all, very clean.
Correct.
Which is the same thing what we did here also. So that they didn't play by the book. So they were all grey. The philosophy was that they're grey on both sides. There's no black and white.
True.
You know,
I
and
think
then
after some, this whole encounter thing is very murky, no? I mean,
Of course it is, yeah.
who's to say what is right and wrong after
Well,
something?
there are guys walking around now who've
Yeah.
retired. I know they live in these fancy homes in Ambi Valley
Encounter specialist.
and all of that. And
Yeah.
each guy's got 105.
40 kill, 50 kill. 100 to
110.
AK hai, from what I remember. Yeah.
Yeah, but tell me something, yeah. Just killing a person is
Tough.
you've actually, and what has really fascinated me, and that's another of my concepts I'm working on. So you'll be surprised that 12 of the best known or infamous or most famous
Gangsters.
encounter specialists,
Okay.
which includes Vijay Salaskar,
Pradeep
Pradeep
Sharma.
Sharma, this, that, everything. 12 guys are from one batch.
Oh,
They passed out in 1983 from the
IPS.
IPS.
same batch.
Nasik 1983, the batch of 83.
How can that be?
It's a
They were
fact.
all trained to the same
And
thing?
they were all trained by one guy called Arvind Inamdar. Arvind Inamdar is considered to be the Amitabh Bachchan of the Maharashtra Police Force.
What are you saying?
He's a straightforward, good, fantastic super cop.
But he
And-
started
and
the
when he
encounter
would-
point.
No, he just trained them. I met him during my research when I've gone to him and he's passed away now, I think. But I said, sir, I just want to ask you, what is it that you taught them?
So what is the coincidence that all could come from the same batch?
Nothing.
Just coincidence.
I know in the year 2006, in a press conference, he was asked that what did you teach them? That these guys came out and they became the most dangerous lot.
And well known.
And he said something very interesting. He's saying, when did they pass out? They said, sir, 1982. 83. Class of 83. And they said, and he said, when was the first recorded encounter? I said 92, 93. So he's saying, there lies your answer. So they're like, he
What is
said,
the answer?
boss, he's saying, I trained some of the best officers and put them out.
10
He's
साल
saying
में
the
कुछ फर्क
system,
होता है. हाँ.
he's saying the system made killers out of them.
Same. This is like our podcast. We started with such great intentions, and now after 10 years, I mean, you have saved us. You have saved us.
you're interviewing me of all people.
No, give us some lovely stories. I just hope the other Bollywood mentions come and talk to us as well. But we've run out of time. Producer is making silly faces.
No, that's all right.
So Sanjay, thank you so much for coming. Is there anything coming out that
pleasure.
you want to talk about?
No, not right. Right
All-
now I'm
all
just
in the
working
works.
on.
All in the
all
works.
in the works. I'm working on my first show.
Yeah.
And a couple of other films. But it's just that right now our entire business is in a bit of a shake-up. So nobody really knows what's working, what's not working, what the budget should be.
If your budgets come down,
So
you
we're
call
all-
me. Now I want to be a gangster.
I'm not going to pay you.
No, fuck
What does the
money.
budget got to do with it then?
I don't want money. I just
Budget
want,
going up or
I just
not?
want to hold a gun.
Yeah, no, because even it's a fact. It's a fact. There's a very interesting book by Abid Surti called Sufi, and it's called Sufi, the Invisible Man of the Underworld. So I was working on that, and in Sufi is this cop, okay, Batliwala,
Parsi.
Parsi, and it was based on a real guy who was there in the 60s and 70s, one of the most famous police officers from that time, who almost controlled the guys functioning. I mean, he controlled as in not to benefit, but he kept them in check. Was the entire gold trade and everything. And I said, yaar, ye sala pura cops mein ek hi bawa tha itne saal se.
No, lots of Parsis.
I said they went on to become the best of, doctors and this, and even Manik
police
Shah.
force and army everywhere, very well.
Army, no, yeah, but police were Bombay police.
Senior Inspector Zaveri of Tardeo Police. My namesake was there in Malabar Hill.
Huh.
There are plenty.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. But,
Proud to be Parsi police.
yeah, but then name a Parsi gangster.
Marathi Mati bol.
Arey, but
Parsicha Parsi.
name a Parsi gangster.
Pilu Khan.
Pilu was not a Parsi. yaar.
Mother
I know.
Parsi.
I used to play cricket with Pilu.
Mother
Pilu's
Parsi.
mother Parsi. No, see?
Now boss like that. And John is also half.
Huh.
It's okay.
Yeah,
We
he's
have to
also-
take what we get.
Yeah, we make the most of it.
Anyway, Sanjay, we have done our time. Thank you so much. It was
yeah.
great fun.
Pleasure, man.
To entertain
Pleasure.
the room. Normally they go to sleep and the guests come here. But it's fabulous stories. Yeah. Can we end with that lovely line, the couplet?
यार
मैं
तू
भूल जाता है यार बार।
अरे मेरे बच्चे मेरे
Last
लाल
line याद है पहला
वो है ना कि मेरे
हाँ,
बच्चे मेरे लाल मेरे बुल्ले के बाल
बुल्ले कबाल क्या फीलिंग आता है ना
see we have Mr. Ved Akash Mehra to thank for
the
it.
great poet of Bollywood that nobody knows.
Yeah, Vedji.
Yeah.
We all know him as Vedji.
Vedji. Vedji.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, please. तमीज से बात करना है ना, important people यार.